Today the shot that we'll be making is called the Bob Marley shot. And I'll actually be showing you two different variations of the same shot. I wouldn't say the original, but the most common one, and also a simple one that bartenders can use if they're in a busy bar. Stay tuned. What makes this shot so special is the fact that it is layered. So what that means is that each ingredient is placed on top of the other and they don't mix. Firstly, we're going to start off by adding grenadine. Now we're going to add some Creme De Mint. For this part, we're going to mix banana liqueur by adding some rum to it. You can actually lighten the Creme De Banana. If you guys like this shot and you want to see more shots like this, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel because I make drinks like this every week. Just go ahead and give this video a like and don't forget to share with your friends because I'm sure that they want to know how to make similar cocktails like this or this one. See you guys next time.